Paying with the Cash App on Dhgate is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. The first method is using PayPal. For that, link your Cash App card to PayPal. Open the Cash App and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Linked Accounts and then Add Bank. Enter your PayPal account details and tap on Link. Add the items you want to purchase to your Dhgate card and proceed to checkout. Here select PayPal as the payment method. Log in to your PayPal account and complete the payment. Go to the Payoneer website and then click on Sign Up. Enter your personal information and create a password. Verify your email address and phone number. Then link your Cash App card to Payoneer. Log in to your Payoneer card and click on Settings. Then select Cards and click on the Add New Card button. Add your Cash App details and tap on Add Card. Add the items you want to purchase to your Dhgate card and proceed to checkout. Here select Payoneer as the payment method. Then, log in to your Payoneer account and complete the payment.